are going to discuss how to remove a duplicate element from an array in in a in a different way. I mean, in all possible way, we are going to discuss to remove a duplicate element from an array. So, in this video, we are going to discuss three solutions, and from three solutions, we will try to eliminate the duplicate element in the array. As you can see, I am already declare a variable contain a duplicate value like 4 and 5 are the duplicate value in the array. So let's get started with the solution 1. Object, empty object I'm declaring, and for let I'm using off for off loop, and I'm setting true value. Okay, now if you console log this object, you will find that all the value in the object are now unique. Okay, the object doesn't hold the duplicate value like 1 2 3 4 5. All values are unique, but we basically don't want in this format. We basically interested in this format, this way, in this format. So these are representing the key. Okay, this is the key 1 2 3 key. So we will extract the key. Okay, let be object dot key, and we will pass this object. And if you console log our b array, now you can see that it holds, but it's still not the same. I mean, you can see we have some double quotes in the array. So we want basically in this format. This is in this format, no double quotes in the array element. So this is optional. You can do. Let new array b dot map number. Now if you console log this new array, now you can see we are getting the element without double quotes. So this is the first solution. The other solution, you can comment this one. So the second solution is, let new array, since I'm commented so it won't have any issue. Now I want the length of this array. Now I will use for loop. If new array not index of array I is to minus 1. Then we want to push into this array. Okay. Now you can console log this new array. So I'm just copying because it's commented. New array solution 2. Okay. So you can see the new array solution 2. Still we have the unique element in the array. So what it does, because initially it is empty, so it will loop through each element in the array. So let's assume we have this array. So initially new array is empty and array of I is 1, so it will return the index. So it won't find that value in this index of 0, basically index of 1. Since array I is the element, so index of 1 it won't find in this because initially it is empty, so it will return -1 and we will push that array. Like that it will push 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if now now the new array, already have the value 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when it compares the other 4 value, so it will return the index. So basically 4, the index of 4, we have already value in the 4, so it won't return the -1. So index of return -1 when we don't have the value in the array. The element which we are looking in the array, if it's not present, then it will return minus. Since we already have the 4 value in the array, so it won't return. Basically, it won't return the -1 and it won't go inside the condition. The same thing applies for 5. So 5 is already there, and for the second time we will have the index and it will return the index, not -1, so it won't go inside this condition. Hence, we will get back our unique element in the array. Now the third solution is like one-liner. It's not recommended, but you can use. So I'm using set here. So I'm using set and array. All of this we have to write, and it will return the unique element in the array. But if this question is asked in interview, then this approach is not good. You can go with the solution 1. This is a good approach, and the solution 2 also a good approach. And so I will leave up to you which approach you are going to solve this this problem if it's come in interview. Thank you so much for watching this